How to get work visa for Malta. Malta is one of the smallest states in the European Union, but that does not stop it from being one of the popular places to live and work. From gaming to financial services, various industries are flourishing in the country, thereby creating job opportunities for skilled people across the globe. Being a part of the EU, European nationals do not need a work permit to live and work in Malta. However, if you are from outside the European Union, here's how you can live and work in Malta. The process to get a Maltese work visa. Malta's official immigration website has information regarding the various visa options. However, different residence permits fall under different tax brackets, and hence it is advisable to seek professional advice. Non-EU nationals can apply for Malta tourist visa and then apply for residence once in the country. Non-EU citizens would also need to apply for permanent residence, which needs to be renewed annually. EU nationals have the liberty to choose between permanent residence and ordinary residence, as per TransferWise. Another category that non-EU nationals can apply under is the Global Residence Program of Malta. This program offers great benefits but also has stricter control measures. To be eligible, you must prove that you maintain a residential address in Malta, you can pay 15% tax on the income earned in Malta, you have funds to support your family in Malta. The Maltese Global Residence Program is an attractive option, as Malta, being part of the Schengen area, allows free movement throughout the European Union. To take up work legally in Malta, you may also need the ETC employment license, which has to be applied by the employer. Documents needed. Information on documents needed may be found on the official immigration website of Malta. In case of an ETC employment license, your employer would need the following documents: a copy of your passport certified by relevant authorities, completed application form, passport size photos, qualification and work experience documents, updated CV. The employer, as part of the application process, would also need to provide evidence that they tried to fill the position from within the EU before making an offer of employment to a non-EU national. EU Blue Card. You may be eligible to apply for an EU Blue Card depending on the type of work you do. The EU Blue Card gives you work rights across most EU member nations. The eligibility for an EU Blue Card is as below. 1. You must be a citizen of a country outside of the EU. 2. You should be highly skilled, which means that you should have at least a bachelor's level education or 5 years of work experience at a senior level. 3. You should have a work contract or a binding job offer in EU. Maltese work visa for entrepreneurs. To set up your business venture, you need to obtain an employment license from the government of Malta. To be eligible, candidates should have a planned investment of €100,000 in the first 6 months of establishing the business, or you may need to demonstrate the capability to employ at least 3 local people in the first 18 months of the business. An employment license may also be procured by producing a sound business proposal approved by the Maltese Enterprise Agency, bringing the spouse and family members to Malta. You may apply for a family reunification visa after completing a year of stay in Malta. This would include your spouse and dependent children. You would be required to provide evidence of suitable accommodation and sufficient income to support the family. You would also be able to provide evidence of funds to support your whole family. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.